Budget 1 million. One great location and great money return. Check it out. Hello everyone, let's check out a 29.4 square meter, a lovely unit for sale in Hill Park 1 condominium. This condominium is located on Canal Road, Chang Puak Sud district, Muang district, Chiang Mai province. This Hill Park 1 condominium also offers a plenty parking, 24-hour CCTV camera system, and a key card to access the building. It also has got 2 lifts as well. And this lovely condominium is also close to fresh market like Chiang Fresh Market, Marine Plaza, Chiang Mai University, and move to Nimman Nimman area, you will find one Nimman Plaza, Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall, and also high-end hospital like Chiang Mai Ram Hospital, Suan Dok Hospital, and very short drive to Chiang Mai International Airport. So no more talking here, let's go check it out. And right now I am on the 13th floor. This is the highlight of this unit because the balcony is face east and you're able to see the view from the mountain and the city as well. Especially when it's have the events, when they have the firework, you can just enjoy the firework from your balcony. The balcony side is also spacious. You can hang the clothes really easy. And this is a glass sliding door. And come with this is a nest screen. It's suitable for a person who don't like the aircon that much, but just leave the glass door open. And right next to this is sleeping area, the best kinda big, about 6 foot, matching with the wardrobe over there. And this dining table set is also matching with the other furniture in this unit, and it has come with 1 air conditioner. And it's really smart idea to have a television that's hanging on the wall, which will allow to have more space for you to add some other shelf. And on my left-hand side, this is a lovely sitting area. This is another highlight as well because from this point, you can see the view from the city from here. And it has come with this coffee table. For dressing table, it's also matching with the other furniture with big mirror here and the drawer here. Really good. And right behind me, this is the cooking area. It has come with this big refrigerator, kitchen countertop. They have a cabinet here and more here as well. And the kitchen top is also really wide, so you can add more blender, rice cooker, or toaster as well. Even you can add a hot plate here, and when you don't use it, just hide it somewhere in the cabinet. And right next to this one, this is bathroom. It's designed quite modern. It has got a glass box that separates from wet and dry areas, come with a water heater, and it's also have one basin. Very convenient. Now you may want to know how to get this lovely apartment. Well, let's start from Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall. Get on the road 1004, drive towards to the west, and once you see the big traffic light, just turn right to the road 121. This condominium is just right at the corner, and this unit has offered 29.4 square meter. This lovely studio is fully furnished and ready to move in. So for more information, please comment or call me at this number. And first, subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us, and like, share to keep going on a great video. I'll see you next time. Bye.